What is up, YouTube? Back at another video. Today we're at Blastcamp shooting little kids. It's gonna be great. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell, and don't forget.
When you have cleared the second building, your spawn will move up. When you clear the third building, your spawn will move up again. Everybody understand?
And don't forget to leave a comment down below for some more awesome airsoft action. Keep watching, keep watching. Keep watching it. Push him.
Hey! I hit you too.
You did not hit me.
Yeah, you hit.
No sir. Dude, I was just farming them, low key, in that window over there, just farming them.
I swear, bro, I got overshot so much.
Dude, you didn't hit me. I got it on video, dude. I promise. I play honorably. You got the other guy. You didn't get me. You got the guy with the pistol. It's okay. Everyone gets out. You don't got to be shitty about it.
Don't worry. Fair square.
Just give me next round, okay?
Sounds good.
You guys are lower accurate speaking fucking Polish right now?
Yep.
Fuck. Oh, shit.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Hey, get back. Just get back now.
Friendly's coming in. Friendly's coming.
Friendlies.
Hurry. They're pushing. They're pushing. Yo, you guys good? Friendlies, you guys good? Yeah, that's kind of fucked up. You can't do that. You guys only got so much time. I'm just holding you down.
I think it's fun. You know, you got me in the finger pretty fucking good. Oh yeah, he's behind the wall.
You gotta save your BBs for my other teammates.
No, I got plenty.
All right. I'm on a suicidal mission, dude. I don't care. Come get me.
The only way to actually get here somewhere.
The only way we can get him is.
Now with your hand up, I'm gonna shoot you.
Nah, he wants to get shot. Yeah. Hey. Let's light him up. It's a full team. It's a full team. You want to surrender?
No, sir.
It's a full team. Do you want to surrender? You're last man. You can either surrender or you can die.
Come kill me.
Okay. You got it. Get the grenade.
They don't sell grenades, bozo.
We have a person with a grenade of alcohol.
Come throw it on me. That's some pussy shit. Come give me like.
It's a spring loaded. Won't hurt.
Come give me like a man.
Those are allowed.
That's it, no. Let's just walk them. Let's just walk them.
Where you got shot, boy?
Back up, back up.
Guys, we're clear. You can go.
There's a person down there.
This is Johnson. All of us.
Go, let's move it. We don't like that.
Go in there, just light them up. Come on, just charge in there, light them up.
Where's he at?
He's right there.
I mean, we can go in this window.
There's a window right there. Run out of ammo.
Give me on your shoulder. Get up there.
Oh, you can't do that.
Oh, yeah, boy, let me get up.
Me? I'm not doing that. That's how someone gets hurt from home. Where is he?
What? If you don't surrender,
You can't go that way.
Like 70 times.
You wanna know what? No, here.
Where's the back door?
Yeah, go up.
Who's there?
No blind fire. No blind fire. No windows, no blind fire. You can't go through the window.
We going, bro?
I wish.
Pal, we gotta roll pal off.
I hit your hair, dude. I saw that shit. Gun hits count. Get out of here. Go back to spawn. I'm just wasting your guys' time. Go win the game. Jesus.
Guys, we can go out. It doesn't matter. Why are we all staying? We can go.
Everybody, charge! 1, 2. Hey, everybody go! Hey, everybody go to the end! Everybody go to the end!
There it is.
That's it. Come on.
There it is.
There it is.
Yeah. I got you through the crack too. You got that on camera as well?
Yes, I did. It's okay. Dude, BBs are so small. It's 99% of the time you're not hitting shit.
And I've seen your mask. And I hit you 3 times.
How do you know?
Because I had a perfect.
I'm beginning to hate pussycat.
Here, come here.
Who was back there? That's all I want to know.
Here.
Good job,
I got you from there 3 times.
Three
Tell me
times?
what's a lie.
3 separate times? That's crazy. I must be a cheater.
I got you the first time with 1 life, then it was the second time, and then it was the 3rd time.
I don't know, dude. It's okay.
You did a good job. You got me in the finger. That was the.
Yeah.
That was good shit.
You could always tell the ref if you got a problem.